Alright, so I had a look through my connection and I can't find my spare one of those. I know I used to have one, I just don't know where it is. So now I just have to pull it all apart, get this timing case off here, this plastic case there. So I need to get the harmonic balancer off, which is down there, and I'm just going to take the fan off to make it easier for myself. So I can get that off, and then I can drill that hole bigger and tap it bigger and put a bigger bolt through, preferably one that actually fits this bearing instead of this crappy thing. And yeah, we'll go with that because I don't have another solution right now. So ideally I'll replace that one day, but not today. So we're just trying to pull this fan off, and you can see that this nut has a washer, that nut has a washer, but this one doesn't. And it's a 13mm, not a 12mm. So again, whoever worked in this car, you suck, and I don't like you very much. Right, so the harmonic balancer is off. So now I just need to remove this cover here, this top cover, and then there's one more, that one there, and that should all come off, and then I can access the Allen keys that hold this on. So you can see the harmonic balancer here. It's a fancy one. Looks like Full Metal Jacket Ross. You know where are we? Ross, there. There we go. And yeah, I just got some extra long Allen keys, chucked it in there. Regular deal. Push it on the centerpiece and it came straight out. So there was no drama. And yeah, time to pull the covers off now. Alright, so it's time to pull this top cover off. So there's 10 Allen head bolts. There's those 10 there. So you just take the oil cap off, and then this just lifts straight up and out, just like that. Then we can see all these broken clips with my awesome zip tie fix. So maybe tonight I'll end up changing all of those. The new ones came in the mail, but they look a little bit fiddly, so I don't know if I can be bothered. They work at the moment, so I might just leave them, I'm not sure, we'll see. Alright, so I got those 3 bolts off of the tensioner, and it's out, and you can see pretty clearly in this hole someone has been being a very crappy mechanic, ruining my nice Supra parts. So I might just re-tap this, see what I can save, and maybe go a little bit bigger. Alright, so it's a bit later at night. We've come out with some illumination, and we're going to keep working on the Supra. So I ended up re-tapping this hole out to 12 by 1.75, and then I went and bought a bolt to suit and a new washer as well. So this isn't my favorite fix. I'd like OEM stuff in there and, you know, put it back together how it's meant to be, but this will have to do for now. So also got some pizza, and yeah, pretty much just reattach everything, and then I'll probably end up trying to change these 2 coolant lines if I can, those 2 there, and the water lower radiator hose, there's a fitting on it like a clamp, and it's facing away like into the turbos, so I need to rotate that down so that I can get access to it, or even take it off and put a worm gear on there. But yeah, I'm just going to start putting stuff back together, and we'll see where we get to tonight. So I was just looking for a bolt I dropped, and I just noticed this. So the Supra has its main radiator fan that goes in here, but then it's got these little auxiliary one, and there you can see it. And I just noticed that if I try and turn this, it doesn't actually turn. It's this wiring harness has been sucked into the fan. I don't even know how long it's been like that. I know this lighting is horrendous, but I'm sure you can tell, just looking down here, this does not turn because of these wires here. So it's yet another thing I have to play with. Alright, so got the lower cover back on, all tightened up, and got this tension arm on with the new bolt all in place. So it was just 3 bolts, and you can see one of them there, and there's one on this side and one on that side. So it's all bolted up. I didn't drop any bolts down into this timing case, because if I did I'd have to pull it back off and go fishing. So next is the harmonic balancer, then this top housing, and then I might end up changing those plugs before I put the top cover back on, you know, just while I'm here. But we'll see how I go for time and what I'm feeling. Alright, so this hose is just a tiny bit too big. I got the cabling, the wiring harness out of the fan down there, So today we've slammed this Suzuki Sierra